Hashtag Chapter 1 Introduction to ChatGPT. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exploration of ChatGPT, one of the most talked about AI language models in recent years. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn about its origins, capabilities, and the impact it's having on various fields, from customer service to creative writing. Imagine a world where you can have natural conversations with your computer or smartphone. Well, that future is closer than you might think thanks to ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI as part of their family of AI models, including DALL-E and Codex, ChatGPT has quickly become one of the most accessible tools for understanding how advanced AI works. Let's get started with a brief history. In November 2022, OpenAI released a test version of this model. Just 3 months later, in February 2023, it became widely available to the public. By March 2023, ChatGPT had over 1 million daily active users and was generating more than 15 billion words per day. Hashtag Chapter 2 The Core Features. So, what exactly can ChatGPT do? At its core, this AI is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can converse about a wide range of topics, write stories, poems, and even code. One of its standout features is context awareness. Unlike earlier models that might get stuck in loops or repeat themselves, ChatGPT understands what you've asked for and tries to provide relevant, coherent responses. For example, if you ask it to continue a story about a character who discovers an ancient artifact, it will generate a compelling narrative flow that feels like it's part of the same story. Let's try something quick. If I were to ask ChatGPT to write a short story set in a futuristic city, would it be able to come up with something unique and engaging? Hashtag Chapter 3 Applications across industries. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT is transforming different industries. First up, customer service. Companies are using this technology to automate support processes, providing customers with instant, personalized responses to their queries. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global AI and customer support market size was valued at $318 million in 2021 and is expected to reach $7.6 billion by 2028. In healthcare, ChatGPT could assist doctors in diagnosing patients or help medical students learn about complex diseases through interactive conversations. A study published in the Journal of Medical Internet Research showed that AI chatbots can effectively manage patient inquiries and reduce the workload on healthcare providers. Another area where ChatGPT is making waves is content creation. Content marketers are using it to generate blog posts, social media updates, and even emails. According to a survey by HubSpot, 82% of companies plan to increase their use of AI in marketing by 2025. Which could mean more personalized and efficient content production. Hashtag Chapter 4 Ethical Considerations and Limitations. While ChatGPT offers numerous benefits, it's essential to address some ethical concerns. One major issue is the potential for misuse, such as generating fake news or misleading information. In January 2023, a researcher used ChatGPT to create a convincing but false resume that fooled many interviewers. Another limitation worth noting is its reliance on data input. The model can only generate text based on what it has been trained on. This means it might struggle with topics outside of its training scope or produce biased content if the data isn't diverse enough. These limitations underscore the need for ongoing development and oversight in AI ethics. How do you think these issues should be handled to ensure responsible use of ChatGPT? Hashtag Chapter 5 The Future of ChatGPT. Looking ahead, the possibilities with ChatGPT seem endless. As more research is conducted and improvements are made, we can expect even better language generation capabilities. There's talk of integrating it into daily devices like smart speakers or smartphones, making AI communication as seamless as talking to a human. Moreover, OpenAI has been working on addressing some of these concerns by releasing tools for content review and fact-checking. They also launched an API that developers can use to integrate ChatGPT capabilities while maintaining control over how the data is used. What do you think could be the next big step in developing AI like ChatGPT? Could it lead to more personalized education or better mental health support through chat? Hashtag Chapter 6, Conclusion. And there we have it, a quick dive into what ChatGPT is, its applications, and some of the challenges it faces. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, content creator, or just curious about AI, understanding these basics can help shape your perspective on how this technology will impact our lives. Remember, as with any powerful tool, using AI responsibly involves staying informed and being mindful of its limitations. What did you think of ChatGPT? Have you had the chance to interact with it yourself? Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has sparked some interesting thoughts about the future of artificial intelligence.